everyone, this is Muazzem Khan. I am back again with a new English lesson today. Our lesson is about adverb clause. So before I start discussing adverb clause, we need to know what an adverb is. In fact, you may know an adverb is a part of piece of out of 8 part of pieces. It is a part of piece. It can be a word which can modify or describe a verb or an adverb or an adjective. Sometimes may it modify a whole sentence also. So let me show you. I live here. This is a sentence. In this sentence, this is the subject. This is the verb. If it is not here, we can see only I live. We don't know much about this verb. So if I write down this word here, I live here means here. So this word is giving some information about this verb. So this is an adverb. Adverb as a part of which this is an adverb. Let me write down one more sentence. I will go. Okay, this is a subject. This is your auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb. This is the main verb. Okay, looking at this sentence, by reading this sentence, you can understand I will go. Okay, but nobody knows when I will go. So if I write down this word tomorrow, T-O-M-O-R-R-O-W. So this word is giving some information about my action when I will go actually. So this word is an adverb. Adverb, in fact, adverb of time. So anyway, our discussion is on adverb clause. So like an adverb clause also functions like an adverb function or describe a verb or adjective or adverb also. So all these adverb clause, noun clause or adjective clause, all these are subordinate clause or dependent clause. So anyway, the adverb clause usually begins with a subordinating conjunction like this. You can see here after, because since all these conjunctions are subordinating conjunction and adverb clause begins with these, there are so many more. I could not write all these here. So anyway, so look at the sentence number 1. When he went to school, he saw a tiger. When he went to school, he saw a tiger. Anyway, what you can see here, that when he went to school, this clause has begun with the word when. When is a subordinating conjunction. So this clause is a subordinate clause. In fact, this is an adverb clause. This subordinate clause or adverb clause, whatever it is, this clause is dependent clause because this clause cannot stand like a sentence by itself. So this is an incomplete thought. Anyway, so when he went to school, he saw a tiger. This is the main clause or independent clause. Independent. He saw a tiger. Okay, anyway, he saw a tiger, but when? When he went to school. So this clause is telling when he saw the tiger. This total clause, this subordinate clause is telling actually when the action of seeing was done by him. So when he went to school, he saw a tiger. So this total clause, which is actually as dependent clause, and this clause is describing this verb. So describing or modifying this verb, this clause has become an adverb clause. So look at the sentence number 2. His performance was the best. His performance was the best. In fact, nobody performed better than him. Okay, anyway, so his performance was the best because he sang very well. This is the clause, subordinate clause or dependent clause. Mainly this is a dependent clause or subordinate clause, but it has become adverb clause because this clause is modifying this adjective. His performance was the best. But why? His performance was the best because he sang very well. So this clause is modifying the adjective best. So we know the clause which can modify an adjective can also be an adverb clause. So our last sentence is here. This fan works better than my last one did. This is actually the main clause. This fan works better. This is the verb. Better is the adverb here. This fan works better. This word is modifying this word. So this is actually verb. So better is modifying the word works here. So the word which can modify a verb can be an adverb also. So better in this sentence, this better is an adverb. So this adverb is being modified by this dependent clause. This pen works better than my last one did. Here in this clause, this is the subject and this is the verb. So this clause, what you can see from here, this clause is giving us some information about this adverb. So the clause which can modify or can give some information about an adverb is also an adverb clause. So I hope you have just understood. Let me tell you again that an adverb clause is a clause which can describe or modify or give us some information about a verb or adjective or an adverb. So anyway, I will be back again with a new English lesson on adverb clause or maybe on noun clause or adjective clause. So if you have any comments or question, please leave your comment and question in the section below. So I will be back again. Till then, you just stay safe and sound. Thank you very much.